Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off landscape display on your WeChat app. We will go to turn off this mark or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on general, and you come to general window. You just come here to landscape display, you click here on this color, and you will click here, and like you see this color, it's gone. That's my landscape display, it's turned off now. So that's all you have to do to turn off this on your WeChat app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. Just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.